I'm starving, gnarly, radical. On the block, I'm magical. See me at your college campus, baggy, girls. Call me if you need a fix. Call me if you need a...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So as you guys can tell by the title or by the intro, today I'm going to be doing the Karma is a Bee makeup tutorial. Let's just call Karma is it. I want to censor this video as much as possible, but Karma is Karma tutorial. So yeah, I wanted to go full on glam today. I was very inspired by this Essence Metal Shock Shadow to slay my makeup. So yeah, I was also very inspired by this new Karma is a Bee Vine kind of trend thing, and I was like, girl, I am ready. I am ready. It would be a perfect intro for a video. So here I am doing the intro, inspired by the Karma is a Bee challenge. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this slayed makeup look, then please keep watching. So as always, we're going to start with primer, and I'm just going to be massaging this all over my skin. Then I'm going to go ahead and just color correct all the areas where I have pigmentation and redness from my acne. Guys, I feel like every time my acne starts getting better, it goes back to being worse again. It's like a never-ending cycle. Gonna go in with my foundation and just start blending it from the center of the face outwards. Not forgetting to blend your foundation down on your neck. I typically like to stop like halfway because I find if I take my foundation all the way down my neck, it settles into the creases of my neck. I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blending sponge and just press the foundation into the skin. And then taking my concealer, I'm just gonna be highlighting under my eyes. In the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And then just blending this all out. So going in with my favorite translucent powder, I'm gonna go ahead and just set my lids before I do anything else. And then I'm going to go ahead with a dry beauty sponge, and I'm just going to be baking all the areas that we have just highlighted because we want to snatch the face. Taking my JOUER Rose Golden palette and starting off with the shade Luster, I'm going to start dusting that into my crease, using this as my transition. Also taking it on my lower lash line. Then taking the shade Harmony, and I'm also going to dispense that on the outer corner of my eye and then dust it into my crease. Taking a smaller blending brush and going in with the shade Wonderful, I'm going to start packing that on the outer corner of my eye, all the way into the crease. And then also packing it on the inner corner of my eye. Not forgetting taking this color on the lower lash line and just building up the intensity of this color, making sure that there are no harsh lines. Then going in back with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the center of my lid. Then taking this Essence Metal Shock Shadow, and I'm going to pack that on the center of my lid. I'm not forgetting to just take this right in the center of my lower lash line. Going in with the shade Copper is King from my JOUER palette. and I'm just going to use this color to lightly feather out the corners of this lid shade. Also taking some of the shade Just a Rose and lightly putting that over top as well. And also taking some of that rose gold shade on the lower lash line ever so slightly. I'm gonna go in with my Inglot gel liner and just draw on some small wings. And I'm gonna take the same gel liner and just line my lower waterline. And then I'm just gonna be applying mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Moving back onto the face now. I know this eye makeup looks a little weird, but we're not done. It's gonna start making sense pretty soon. I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up the outer perimeters of my face. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just contour my cheeks and my forehead, just making sure everything is nicely blended into my hairline. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just dust off all of the bake and make sure everything is nicely blended. And then I'm just going to be adding some blush. And then I'm going to be taking a cream highlighter. This is the Benefit What's Up. And I'm just going to dab this onto my cheek. Oh, actually using my finger is a little better. Now that we have some of this beautiful cream highlight on, it is stunning. You guys can totally stop here. But I want to amplify the glow, and I'm going to be using my JOUER Citrine highlighter. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh my god. Just going to be highlighting the tops of my cheeks, the sides of my temples, of my nose, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. And then also taking some of this on a smaller brush and using this to highlight my inner tear ducts. And then also taking a little bit on my brow bone. For lashes today, I'm going to go in with these Beauty by Benazir lashes. They are very, very dramatic. And while the glue on my lashes dry, I'm going to go in with two liquid lipsticks from ColourPop. They look very butchered and I have lash glue all over my fingers. But anyway, I'm going to be using the shades K and Chi. I'm going to be using the shade K on the outer perimeters of my lips. And then taking the shade Chi and just putting that in the center of my lips. And lastly, to finish off this makeup look, I'm going to be using my KIKI Cool Citrus Setting Spray. Okay, legit, I took a bath in that, but it's all good. So that is pretty much it for this makeup look, inspired by the Karma is a Bee challenge. And yeah, how did you guys like this look? How did you guys like the intro? Comment down below, let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day, every day with and without makeup. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!
65 speeding up the PCH, a hell of a ride. Since she be down for whatever, never gotta convince. Cause things didn't work out in this life, but maybe